to our NIPS home school. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shiuly, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Dear student, today I am going to take your Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the student of class 4. Our today's topic is C.B.B.Q. and C.B.S.Q. discussion. So let's get started our class. Okay, have a look on this topic. Our class 4 subject BGS, that means Bangladesh and Global Studies, topic competency based short questions and competency based broad question from chapter 11. Now let's start. Number 1, C.B.S.Q. Bangladesh is a riverine country which sea do the rivers of Bangladesh flow into. Answer: Bangladesh is called a riverine country. There are many big and small rivers in Bangladesh. The Bay of Bengal is located in the south of Bangladesh. Most of the rivers in Bangladesh flow from the north to the south, the Bay of Bengal. So this short questions is about our rivers. We know there are many rivers in Bangladesh. Some rivers are big and some are small, and most of the rivers flow from the north to the south and into the Bay of Bengal. Now come to the next question. Number 2, how do you attract more tourists to Bangladesh beach resorts? Answer: beach resort is a profitable and well-known economic sector of Bangladesh. To attract more tourists, we have to ensure all residents security, neat and clean environment, comfortable transport as well as proper management. No. Nowadays beach resort is more profitable, that means money making and well-known economic sector of Bangladesh. If we want to attract our tourists, we have to ensure these features. Okay, that means resident security, neat and clean environment and comfortable transport and proper management. Now number 3, how can you do to protect the beach resorts? Answer: to protect the beach resorts, we should make the common people aware of its clean environment, biodiversity, purification of seawater, natural beauty and proper management of keeping the beach area healthy and safe. So this sea water W will be in small letter. Okay. If we want to protect our beach resource, we know beach resource is a very well-known sector of Bangladesh and profitable, so we have to protect it. And so if we want to protect this resource, we have to aware of its clean environment, biodiversity and purification of seawater, natural beauty and proper management of keeping the beach area healthy and safe. Now go to the next C.B.B.Q., that means competency broad questions, competency based broad question. Number 1, there are some hill areas in the southeast and northwest regions of Bangladesh. Describe the hill areas of Bangladesh. Answer: the hills were formed long ago in our history. The main hills in Bangladesh are in the southeast in Chittagong. The highest peak is Tajingtong. Its height is 1280 meters, and third highest peak is Kekaradang. Its height is 986 meters. Both are situated in Bandarban. So most of the hilly areas are situated in southeast in Bangladesh. There is a forest in these areas. The other hilly areas is in Sylhet, Rangamati, Bandarban, Khagrasari are main hilly districts in Bangladesh. And besides these southeast regions of Bangladesh, we have another area that are situated in Sylhet. Now number 2, a beach in Bangladesh is the longest sandy beach in the world. What is it? Write some sentences on it in your own words. Answer: Cox's Bazar beach is the longest sandy beach in the world. It is situated in Cox's Bazar district in Chattogram division. The beach is 125 kilometers along the coast of the Bay of Bengal. It is popular with tourists for swimming and walking. Behind the beach there are green hilly waterfalls. Okay, and will be removed. There are St. Martin, the only coral island in Bangladesh. Himsori, Irani beach around Cox's Bazar. Cox's Bazar sea beach is a beautiful place to spend time on a family holiday. So students, That's all for today. Our today's homework number is 9 and topic C.B.B.Q. 1. So you have to learn these questions at home and complete your homework and then submit on next Saturday. Thank you all of you. See you in next class.